Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Princess Cruises suite experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Sapphire Princess. This particular category is the owner suite here on board. That means you're going to get all those incredible medallion class options and of course the suite level amenities as well. I'll review those and tour the suite in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at HarTravel. We know the spaces inside and out, we have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, being a medallion class ship, that means you're going to get your medallion before you arrive. It'll open your door and it'll really open up the service on the ship. It's how you can communicate with the staff on board, your likes, your dislikes. You can also order items and have them delivered wherever you want on the ship. It's much more than that, but you'll see when you get on board. And of course, with the full suite, you'll have early embarkation and early disembarkation privileges throughout the cruise. You're also going to have access to the reserved dining, so you'll have your seat guaranteed every single day for lunch and dinner. And then you're also going to find that you have an enhanced menu. Beyond that, you're going to have great enhancements all throughout the suite and the experience. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, we started off right here in the living room. You'll see that you have a nice writing desk over in the corner. You've got a second one here along with two US plugs. You've got a nice large full-size sofa that can fold out if you have more than two passengers staying in the suite. That makes the two side tables also a nightstand, and you have two nice comfy reading chairs and a coffee table in the middle. Now, I did want to point out you have a door here. That's one of the entrances into the restroom. That's the water closet. I appreciate that they have that there because if you have anybody staying in the living room, they can use that without heading through the bedroom space. Now you've got a nice wet bar here with a full butler's pantry, an extra set of setups here because you're in the full suite, mini fridge tucked underneath there, and then you've got the first of the large flat panel TVs. They're fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television, and of course, don't forget to catch up on all your favorite Love Boat episodes. You've got a full dining room table here. I think that's a great fit. You can take advantage of in-suite dining. You have every single meal here, maybe just some snacks from room service, or it's a perfect spot for family game night as well. Now, as we head into the bedroom space, you've got a curtain that pulls shut. It goes all the way across to have that extra separation of space. And then you're going to find your Princess luxury bed. It's extra comfy. They upgraded the mattress, the linens, and the pillows. And you've got plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large items away. Now, depending on your configuration, they can separate that apart into two twins. And on either side, you're going to find nightstands where you've got plenty of storage, drawers over there, and drawers all the way across here. You've got your vanity here, two more US plugs, backlit magnifying mirror, hair dryer that you can use to get ready, a little stool where you can sit, two lights up above, and another separate temperature control. Just through here, you're going to find a floor-to-ceiling mirror to get ready. You also have hanging storage all the way across in your walk-in closet, hanging storage down below, two golf umbrellas, extra comfy robe and slippers, and you'll find a full safe, full laptop-size safe, I love that, and storage up and down with the drawers. Now, as we step into the bathroom, I really like this configuration. You've got a full jacuzzi soaking tub, so if you want a nice bubble bath, it's perfect for that. Traveling with my little kiddos, having a bath is such a major advantage. I really like it. You're also going to have a full step-in shower, and I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I don't fit a lot of spaces. Now, I love that they have a separate step-in shower as well. You're going to find the clothesline that pulls across. You've got that full marble shower, highly upgraded bath amenities, and then shower head up above. Now, with the split bath configuration, I mentioned there was another door that's right through here on the other side. So this is your water closet, toilet tucked in the corner, nice large marble vanity, storage up and down. You've got more of those upgraded bath amenities and the full suite bath amenity kit. You've got storage up and down here and also plug for a razor. So now we're out on your aft-facing balcony. Those of you who watch our channel know this is my happy place, my home away from home. My blood pressure gets lower, my smile gets big as I watch us sail away from the incredible destinations around the world with the wake in the distance. Now out here, you've got a full dining room table. You can have every single meal right here. It's also that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as we take in the ever-changing ocean views. You've got two large overstuffed loungers tucked in the corner as well. Once again, this is a fantastic balcony option. Once again, taking advantage of all of those beautiful views, whether you're in Alaska, the Chilean fjords, or anywhere in between. Now, when you're ready to make this suite your home away from home or book any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at Har Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.